Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Wellversed is hiring for business operations specialist. Job location is Gurgaon, Haryana. Let us check about this job role. So Wellversed is a precision nutrition company that innovates specialized food products for people on clinical dietary regimes and with specific health conditions. It's a simple, tech-enabled platform for health, wellness and nutrition brands to quickly scale across digital commerce channels and reach the right consumers. Wellversed was founded in 2018 by Stanford Biodesign alumni and is backed by seasoned investors like the legendary cricket Yuvraj Singh and Jubilant Foodworks. So responsibilities under this role are understanding and executing the current SOPs of B2B client acquisition and success, listening with core team members to strategize and implement new acquisition models, managing our current B2B network and converting current clients for more integrated offerings, conducting market research in order to collaborate with brands with a high synergy in the health sector. Now, skills required are: must be comfortable with cold or outbound calling, strong interpersonal and communication skills, good knowledge in MS Excel or Google Sheets, proven ability to work effectively to tight deadlines in a fast-paced environment, timeline-oriented with decision-making and problem-solving abilities. If you are eligible for this role, you can apply by clicking on this apply button. After that, Google form will open. You have to fill the basic details as a full name, phone number, your LinkedIn profile link, then creative assessment. One assessment is there. It is follow this Instagram handle and share at least one suggestion on how to improve this channel. Then available to work full time, have a functional laptop, willing to work from office in Gurgaon, willing to work 6 days a week. How soon can you join Wellversed if you get selected? Highest degree and institution, then your current CTC, your expected CTC, your hometown, area of residence. If you are currently living in NCR, then current area of residence in NCR, marital status, gender, and how did you get to know about this job role. After filling this Google form, you have to click on this submit button and submit the application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best. And if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends and for more latest job updates, चैनल को subscribe कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.